What's up guys, Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory here, and today I'm going to be showing you the new updates inside Chirply. So if you want to get a free trial, go ahead and click the link in this video and you'll get 7 days to try this tool for free. So this is the first major update we've had in a little bit now, and this is as of March 2nd, 2021. We've added sales pipelines. So this is a massive feature add and it's in beta mode right now, but I've tested it a little bit and it's working pretty well. So I'm going to show you how this works and kind of the use cases you can use this feature for. So let's dive right in. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. So Chirply is a two-way communication software. You can automate your inbound and outbound marketing with it. And I like to set up things like this. It's called a VIP text club or SMS autoresponder. And this will be the start of our pipeline. So I'm just going to show you how this works right now. So one thing I'm going to do is pull up my camera. You can see my phone on the screen right there. If I scan this QR code or text the word demo to 250-6868, it's going to start up my SMS autoresponder. So I'm actually going to do this from a new number as well. So I'm going to copy that word demo and I'll open up Google Voice since I'm already in the pipeline, and I'll send this from this Google Voice number as well. You can see there's my autoresponder responding back to me. And I'm going to send this to 319-250-6868. My message will be demo, and I'll hit send. So one of the things I added to my SMS autoresponder is to actually add people to the sales pipeline. So now whenever they sign up for the SMS autoresponder by opting in, they'll also get added to this pipeline here. And you can see as I hit refresh, my new number down here at the bottom was added to my pipeline. This initial amount increased, so it went up another $47. I got my text message automation, and now my pipeline has one more person in it. So there's a lot of different ways you can actually get people into your sales pipeline. This is just one of those ways, and the potential is pretty limitless for how you want to run this. So each step in this pipeline, when someone is added to it, can fire an automation. So for instance, when someone's added to this pipeline step here, what you could do is fire some actions, and you could move them to a different list or actually add them to a campaign, whatever you might want to do. Let me hit refresh here. You could also set a default phone number, so I like to do that. So the default number is going to be my Chirply number, and I'm going to hit done. So now all the contacts that text me demo are going to be added to this pipeline, and it'll set my default Chirply number to all these contacts in here. So on this next step, what I like to do is send a follow-up text. So I can send a message and it'll be SMS demo anytime I drag someone to this step and drop them. You can see all the options here. You can trigger a zap, an IVR, a sales bridge. You can add them to a campaign, drop a ringless voicemail, and all that cool stuff. So I'm going to drag my contact here over to this next step. Now you see the pipeline has actually decreased for here and increased for here. And I got a text message on my phone as soon as I dropped this contact into this step. So that's the power of this. It's a drag and drop automation system. And you can see the total potential in your pipeline at any time. So at the end of the pipeline, I like to have a kind of a won or loss step. And all this data is eventually going to be added here at the top in a nice, clean, easy to view way. So you'll see, your in process amounts here, your won amounts, and your lost amounts. So that means at a glance, you'll quickly be able to see your potential value you have in your sales pipeline, how much you've actually converted, and how much of that you've actually lost. So these sales pipelines are in beta, like I said. If you guys want to try this out, it's actually on the gold plan or above. So what I'm going to have you do is sign up for a 7-day free trial. And if you sign up through March 31st, 2021, I'm going to upgrade you to the gold plan for free. So right now the starter plan is $47 per month. You actually don't get access to the sales pipelines on the gold plan. But if you want to try this, go ahead and sign up for Chirply before March 31st, 2021, and I'll upgrade you for free. So hopefully that works for you guys. I'm going to be doing some more in-depth training on this. I just wanted to get this update video out to you all. Make sure you go ahead and jump in to the sales pipelines right here in your account. You can now add people from a list. So if you have a list you want to add to a sales pipeline, go into that list, and actually you can add everybody at once to that sales pipeline. Now, I would recommend testing it out with a smaller batch at first. Like I said, this is still in beta, so we don't have the unlimited scroll feature added yet. So if you add too many people, it might be hard to actually view all of your contacts for the pipeline. But that will be coming. We'll be adding that infinite scroll. So just like all the other pages in Chirply, that's going to work the same. And we'll just continue to improve this feature. Hopefully you love that automation where you can just drag and drop a lead to the next step and fire those triggers. You'll be able to quickly see each step in your sales pipeline at a glance once we get that data added up here. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys jump in. Go ahead and start your 7-day free trial right now. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and smash that bell. That helps the channel grow and lets me offer you amazing deals like this one. So appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.